This is the Xiaomi 12T, and today we would like to demonstrate that you can check your mobile data usage on this device. Alrighty, so first of all, launch settings, then enter the connection and sharing category. In here, go for the dedicated data usage section at the other field. And in here, you'll be able to choose check the general data usage over here, as well as how much data, how much cellular data have been used by each individual application. If you would like to check the cellular data usage for another SIM card you have inserted, just change the mobile data preference in the SIM cards and mobile networks category of settings, like so. And once I'll get back to the data usage, I'll be able to clearly see that now it shows the cellular usage for the SIM 2. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and bye-bye.